Hello, this is Parrish. Today is Friday, July 13th, 2012, time 6:38 a.m. This video is about plane flying over my house. Okay, usually, mostly, I would say 99% of the time, the planes coming from John F. K, I guess, leaving out of New York, usually come from this direction and it flies down there. But now planes are coming from, and the planes are making a lot of noise over my house. Planes are coming from this way. It's coming up and it's turning around and it's going back that way. It's very odd. As far as I recall, planes have never done this before, fly directly over my house from this location. I don't know if the camera could pick up the plane in the distance, but give it my best shot. They need a change of their flight pattern, maybe because of the sun. The sun looks so large. This one is directly over me. I'll film two more. So far, I would say at least seven or six planes have flown over my house within, I guess, within 15 minutes. So I'll say within 15 minutes, 7 planes have flown over my house. I guess this is it. I'm thinking more planes was coming out from this direction. Very odd. Okay, this is it.